Morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. And are you doing homework? Yes, you do on your own, children, whatever I'm giving on that particular day. And learn tables also, children. Today I'm going to start our maths class. And I'll continue the topic, chapter 2, numbers. All of you take out your textbook, page number 28, children. I gave already this bit as your homework that day. Did you do this homework, children? If no, okay. No means just you see this bit I'm going to complete today. If you did, okay, check your answers whether you did correct or not. Let's begin our math session, children. All of you open page number 28. I'm continuing this bit. I already gave this bit as a homework, but if you done homework, very good, children, and just check the answers if you done that homework. Okay, let's start. Here, he asked to write the given digits in its places. Here, the three-digit numbers formed using 267 are 267, 276, 627, 672, 726, and 762. Can you write the hundreds place, tens place, ones place in these numbers? Is asking us to separate the digits in its particular places. Already we have did so many examples how to write the places. I explained with a lot of examples. Okay, and this bit also very easy for you. Just you have to write first places of the digits. Then it is easy for you to separate in hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. Okay, and do you know, children, how to form a three-digit number using given digits? I have already explained how to write, how to form two-digit number. Okay, how to form two-digit number using given digit. Okay, if not just here, I want to explain. Here he has given us these three digits, 2, 6, and 7. Okay, and he is asking us to frame or form three-digit numbers. Okay, very easy, children. Just you observe how I'm writing. Just you draw one triangle. Just you draw one triangle shape. Okay, first you write first digit on the top and the second digit this side and 7 last digit at this corner. Okay, whatever digits he has given to us, just you write at the corners of the triangle. And it's very easy, children. Whenever you will have digits, three numbers he has given to you and is asking to form three-digit numbers, and you follow this method, it is very easy. You will not get confused also. Okay, children? Right. Let's start. First, observe carefully the topmost number that you write first, 2. And here 6, as it is you write. And another one number is 7, right, as it is. Just you write whatever numbers are there in the corners, you have to write first. Okay, whatever numbers are there at the corners, just you write that number. And first number I formed already, three-digit number. Is it three-digit number or not? Yes, obviously it is a three-digit number. Was 100, tens, ones. It is a three-digit number. So next, just don't disturb this number. Again, you write 2. Okay, with one digit, 2 times you'll get same digit we'll get twice. Okay, 2 times we'll write. Okay, if I'm writing 6 in hundreds place, with 6 in hundreds place, I'll get 2 three-digit numbers. So here, first observe first number. Here I wrote 2, and here I wrote 6, and here I wrote 7. 267 is a three-digit number. Okay, it's fine. Now again I told you, again you write a 2 only again. Okay, write here 2, And don't write now 6. Already 6 I wrote here. Then just you reverse. Okay, in place of 6 you write 7. In place of 6 you write, sorry, in place of 7 you write 6. One more 3-digit number I got. Very easy. Okay, now next number. Take this number now. 6 as a 100th place number. Then what numbers are left? 2 and 7. First you write 7, 2 or no problem. 2, 7 also you can write. Just you write the remaining numbers. Just you reverse this 10th ones place. As it is you write 6 and reverse these two numbers. Ones place number you write in 10th place. 10th place number you write in ones place. Okay. Now, which number is left now? 7. Write 7 in 100th place. Now you have to write in 10th place 6, ones place 2. And in next number, 2 in 10th place, 6 in ones place. 7 will be the 100th place. Okay, 7 you write and just you write 62, 62, 62. And again with 7 in 100th place, just you reverse. 2 in 10th place, 6 in ones place. Children, I hope you understood how to form 3-digit number using given digits. Okay, this method you can follow in all cases whenever he is asking you to form 3-digit number using given digit. One more example I'll tell you, and now you have to answer my question. Okay, 5, 8 and 4. Using this 3 digits, I'm asking you to form 3-digit number. You write here 5, 8, 4 at the corners of a triangle. Now use first number. What is the first number at the top? 5. 8, 4 as it is, right? 584. Now again with 5 in 100th place, just you reverse. 8 place you write 8 place, you write 4. In 4th place you write 8. 548, 584. Now you see this number. 808 will come in 100th place. Just you write these two numbers. 54. 5 and 4. Next 8 again in 100th place. This 5 you send to ones place, 4 will come in 10th place. Just you reverse 10th place and ones place. 100th place don't change. With 100th place, two numbers. With same numbers, we'll get two 3-digit numbers. Next, which number is left now? 4. 4 you write in 100th place. Now remaining two numbers are what? 8 and 5. You write 8 in 10th place, then 5 will come in ones place. Again you write in 100th place 4. This 5 will come in 10th place, 8 will come in ones place. These are the possible 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. Okay. How many 3-digit numbers we form, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Using this 3 digits, we form 6 3-digit numbers. Here also see, using this 3 digits, how many 3-digit numbers we form? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, children? Now, here, using this 2, 6, 7, 2 he wrote in 100th place. See, 2 times we got this 2 in 100th place. 6, 7 and 7, 6. 7, 6, 6, 7. 6, 7, 67. 267 and 2 as it is in 100th place. Just this 7 came into the 10th place and 6 goes to the 1st place. Then 276. And then next number, the next digit is what? 6. With 6 in 100th place, then two numbers are what? 2, 7. 2, 7, 27. 627. One more number is what, children? 672. This 2 goes to 1st place, 7 goes to 10th place. So we got 672. And next digit is what? 7. 7 you write in 100th place, and remaining numbers are what? 2 and 6. Just you write 2 and 6. Okay, then 726 we got. Next 7 you write in 100th place as it is. Just you reverse 1's place digit and 10th place digit. Just 6 goes to 10th place, 2 comes to 1's place. Then we'll get a 762. Now, I hope you understood how to form 3-digit numbers using given digits, children. Now I'm reading the B question. Just you separate. Before separating places, just you write 100 tens once, 100 tens once, 100 tens once. Next, here in hundreds place, observe carefully and tell me. Yes, there is 200. There are 200. So write in hundreds place 2. Now, how many tens are here? There are 7 tens. So write in red color box 7. There are how many ones? Yes, exactly. There are 6 ones. Just you have to write hundreds place number in hundreds place, tens place number in tens place, ones place number in ones place. Now you tell fastly which place, which number is there in hundreds place. There are 600, so 6 will come in hundreds place. 2 is in tens place. 7 is in ones place. Here 6 is in hundreds place. There are 600. 7 in tens place, so there are 7 tens. 2 is in ones place. There are 2 ones. Next, 7 is in hundreds place. There are 700. 2 is in tens place. So there are 2 tens. 6 is in ones place. There are 6 ones. And there are 700. So 7 you write in hundreds place. How many tens are here? There are 6 tens. How many tens are here? There are 6 tens. How many ones are there? There are 2 ones. I hope you understood, children. Okay. Now, let's go to the next bit. Okay. Before going to do this bit, I want to recall greater than, comparing numbers, greater than, less than, equal to. Comparing. How to compare the numbers. This topic is very important. Related to the topic, we are having 4 bits in the next page. Okay, these 4 bits will solve on that related to the topic only, children. And this is also very easy topic, comparing numbers. Okay, how to compare the numbers? First, we have to compare the hundreds place number. Then we have to separate a tens place number. Then we have to observe ones place number. Children, understood, children? First, you have to observe hundreds place number, both the sides. If the hundreds place number means 100 place digits are same, then you have to observe tens place number. Then if tens place digits are same, then you have to observe ones place digits. If hundreds place numbers, if you got the answer, means comparing hundreds place, you got the answer, means no need to worry about tens and ones place. Okay, now let's start this bit. Write which is greater, which is lesser. Right? Which is greater, which is lesser. Okay, children, here 2 numbers are given to us. Okay, now you have to compare. Compare greater, lesser, greater, bigger number, lesser, smaller number. Okay, greater means bigger number, lesser means smaller number, big, small. Okay, here you have to read the question carefully. Between 267 and 276. Between 267 and 276, which is lesser? This is the question. Lesser means small or big? Yes, small. Which number is smaller number? We have to find out. Here we have 2 numbers. Observe carefully. First you write places. HTO, HTO. Observe hundreds place number. Then you have to observe if hundreds place numbers are same, then we have to go for tens place digit. First I will observe hundreds place digit. Here I have 2. Over here I have 2. Here in hundreds place, both the sides digits are same. So then what I have to do, children? Yes, I have to observe tens place digit. Here I have 6 and over here I have 7. Now children, tell me 6 is bigger or 7 is bigger number? 6 is the bigger number or 7 is the bigger number? In numbers, 6 will come first. Okay, when you will count the number, 6 will come first. And 7 will come after 6. So 7 automatically what you will say, teacher? Yes, 7 is the bigger number. So crocodile wants to eat a big number. So I'll put the symbol towards 7 number. So 7 is here. Okay. Then once you read the number, now I got the answer here only. By observing the tens place number only, I got the answer. So no need to go to the ones place digit. Just you read the number 267, 276. So 7 is a bigger number. Compare this tens place digit. Then what you can give answer? What you can say, children? Yes, 276 is the bigger number. So you can put the symbol towards 276. Now, after observing this bit, you have to answer here. Between 267 and 276, which is lesser? Which is lesser now? Yes. Here in this example, which is lesser is asking. So once you read 267 is less than. Is less than. This is the less than symbol, children. So what is the answer? Which is the lesser number? Obviously 267 is less than 276. Is that clear? Now what is the answer, children? 267 is the answer. So write, children, in this box, 267 is the lesser number. Now between 627 and 672, which is greater? Is asking us to find out which is the bigger number. Bigger number we have to write in this box. Just you observe carefully these 3-digit numbers. Here in hundreds place we have 6. Here in hundreds place we have 6. Both the sides numbers are same, digits are same. So then I have to observe which place digit, children? Obviously 10th place. So it's asking greater number. So in here I have 2. Here I have 7. 2 is smaller number or 7 is smaller number, or otherwise 2 is bigger number or 7 is bigger number. When you will count the numbers, after 2 you will get 7. So once you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 is coming first. So 2 is smaller than 7. So what you can give the answer? What you can say, children? Yes, which is the right answer? Okay, I'll explain you here. This is A and this is B. He's asking us 627, 672. He's asking us to write which is the bigger number. Now, first you have to write 100, tens, ones, 100, tens, ones. Children, after writing places, observe carefully the digits in hundreds place. Over here we have 6, over here also we have 6. Both the sides 6 I have. So then have to observe tens place number. Here I have 2 and here I have 7. Now tell me which is the bigger number, 2 or 7? Teacher, 7 is the bigger number. You'll answer that 7 is the bigger number. So crocodile wants to eat 7. Why? Because 7 is the bigger number. So mouth of the crocodile will open towards bigger number. So 7 is this side. Where is the 7? Okay, this side. So crocodile will always open its mouth towards bigger number. So now tell me which is the bigger number, 627 or 672 or 627 is smaller than 672. 672 is greater than 627. Okay, 7 is this side, so mouth will open this side. If 7 is that side, mouth will open this side. So observe carefully. Okay, which side the bigger number will be there, that side the mouth will open. So children, tell me what is the answer? Which is the greater number? 672 is the greater number. Okay, children? Okay, right here, 672. Next, between 726 and 762. Between 726, 762. Same procedure, children. Right? Is asking us to find lesser number? Yes. Which is lesser is asking. So which is lesser number is asking. So right, first places 110 ones. Children, first which number I have to observe? Children. Yes. We have to observe 100th place number. Here again I have in 100th place both the sides same number. Then I have to observe carefully 10th place number. Here I have 2 and over here I have 6. So tell me 2 is bigger number or 6 is bigger number? Children, can you answer my question? 2 is bigger number or 7 is bigger? Sorry, 6 is a bigger number. Yes, correct. You'll say, teacher, 6 is the bigger number. So the mouth of the crocodile wants to eat bigger number. 6 is this side. So mouth of the crocodile will open towards bigger number. So what you can say, 726 is smaller than 762. He's asking which is lesser. So 726 is less than 762. So which is lesser number? So 762 is greater than 726. You can write like this also. 762 is greater than 726. So you can put this sign when the bigger number is right side. When the bigger number is left side, the symbol will come like this. This is less than symbol, this is greater than symbol, children. Now tell me, what is the right answer? 726 is the right answer. So write, children, here in this box, 726. Now, observe this carefully. 267, 267 and 627. Between these two numbers, which is greater is asking. Okay, the question. Between 267 and 627, which is greater. Now, first step is what, children? Write the places, 100, 10s, 1s. So, here, both the sides, we are having 3-digit number. So, first step is what? First, you have to observe 100th place number. 100th place digit, you have to observe carefully. I have here 2, here I have 6. Now tell me, observe 100th place number. Here I have 2 and here I have 6. So 2 is smaller than 6. 6 is smaller than 2. My question is, 2 is smaller number or 6 is smaller number? You'll say, teacher, 2 is the smaller number. So 2 is smaller number. So it's greater number. Then what you'll say? 2 is smaller and 6 is bigger number. So crocodile wants to open its mouth towards bigger number, 6. Is that clear? Here 100th place numbers only I am observing. Why? Because here we have different digits in 100th place. So answer I'll get. No need to do anything with this 10th place and 1st place digits, children. So here I can get the answer by observing the 100th place digit itself. So children, 2 is smaller than 6. So 6 is bigger than 2. So big number is 6, small number is 2. So crocodile wants it bigger number or smaller number? Obviously bigger number. So children, mouth of the crocodile will open towards bigger number. So this is the symbol of less than. Now you read the number 267 is less than 627. So 627 is greater than 267. This is the smaller number and 627 is the greater number. Now tell me, 267 is the smaller and 627 is the bigger. So he's asking which is greater. Greater means bigger number. So which is the bigger number? Yes, 627 is the greater number. Okay, children? Now you have to answer this question, children. Between 762 and 672, which is lesser? Which is lesser? Lesser means smaller number. Okay, children, this is the question. He's asking us to find out which is the smaller number between these two numbers. So observe carefully. Carefully, hundreds place number. First you write 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones. Is that clear? Now, hundreds place number you observe carefully. Here I have 7. Over here I have 6. Is that clear, children? Now, he's asking us to find out which is smaller number, means lesser number. Now I'm going to observe carefully hundreds place digits. Why? Because we are having different digits in hundreds place. So no need to observe tens place and ones place digits. Here only we'll get the answer. Now tell me, children, 7 is smaller than 6, or 6 is smaller than 7. Which number is smaller than 7? 6 is smaller number or 7 is smaller number? Teacher, 6 is the smaller number. You'll answer, teacher, 6 is the smaller number. Why? Because when you will count the numbers, 7 will come first or 6 will come first? Yes, you will get first the digit 6. So 6 is smaller than 7. So he is asking us to find out which is the smaller number. 6 is the smaller number. So this 672 will become smaller number and 762 will become bigger number. Is that clear, children? 6 is smaller than 7. So here I will put the symbol towards 762. But what is asking? Lesser number. 762 will be the bigger number, means automatically other number will be the smaller number only, no, children? So this number is bigger means this number will be the smaller number, means lesser number. So what is the answer? 672. 7 is bigger number, 6 is smaller number. So 762 is the bigger number, means greater number. 672 is the smaller number. Between these two numbers, this is the bigger number, means greater number, and this is the smaller number, means lesser number. So what is asking? Lesser number to write in this box. So which is the right answer? 672. Okay, children? Next, let's go to the next topic. Here, today I'm going to solve this bit. Read the question along with me. Write the correct symbol greater than, less than, equal to in the blank boxes. Children, we have done 4-5 bits related to this topic. I hope you are perfect now to put the correct symbol. Observe carefully, place numbers, 100, 10, 1. Whenever you are going to ask to put the correct symbol, whenever teacher will ask you to put the correct sign in the given blank, you have to observe the places, whether it is a 3D. First you have to observe places. before observing the places, you have to identify both the sides we are having same number of digits or not. For example, here I have 3-digit number and here also I have 3-digit number. Okay, that is the first step. Then after observing that, you have to write places of the digits, 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones. After writing that places only, we can compare the digits. Then after comparing the digits, we can put the appropriate sign in the given block. Children, first I want to explain the given examples. Here 3-digit number and this side also I have 3-digit number. Here also 3-digit number, this side also 3-digit. Here 3-digit number, here I have 2-digit number. So in the last video, I have already told you that 2-digit number is always smaller than 3-digit number. Here no need to observe anything. Hundreds place, no need to observe. 2-digit number always smaller than 3-digit number. 2-digit number always smaller than 3-digit number. This point you have to remember, children. Okay, now I'll start this example. 189, 678. So 100th place number is 100 place, 10th place and 1st place, 100 tens 1, 100 tens 1, 100 tens 1, 100 tens 1. Here I don't have 100. Why, children? This is a 2-digit number, so I have only tens and ones. So here first you have to observe carefully 100th place digit. Here I have 1, here I have 6. Now tell me, 1 is smaller number or 6 is smaller number? 1 is smaller number. So 6 is bigger number. So always crocodile wants to eat bigger number. So crocodile will open its mouth towards bigger number. 1 is smaller number, 6 is bigger number. So 188, 189 is less than 678. Understood, children? Now, here I have 2 in 100th place. Over here I have 2. Both the sides 100th place digits are same. Then I have to go to 10th place. Observe carefully 10th place number. Here I have 0 and also here I have 0. Both the sides 10th place digits also same. Then I have to go to 1st place. And here I have 5 in 1st place. Over here I have 5. Both the sides 100th place, 10th place, 1st place digits are same. So then what I have to put here? Here I have to put equal to sign. So here I have to put equal to sign. This is the equal to symbol. Next, here 3-digit number is always greater than 2-digit number. Without thinking, you have to put the symbol towards 3-digit number. If one side 3-digit number, another one side a 2-digit number is given, always crocodile wants to eat a 3-digit number, children. No need to compare anything. Children, start. 275, 725. 2 is smaller than 7. So 7 is bigger than 2. So which side the crocodile wants to open its mouth? Towards bigger number. 2 is smaller than 7. 2 is smaller number, 7 is bigger number. So 725 is a bigger number. 275 is a smaller number. So tell me, crocodile wants to open its mouth towards the bigger number. Now you read the number. 275 is less than 725. Now 853. Now you write 100 tens 1, 100 tens 1. Okay, here first you have to observe 100th place digit. Children, 100th place number you have to observe. 100th place, here I have 8 and here I have 6. So tell me, 8 is bigger number or 6 is bigger number? Obviously 8 is bigger number. You'll say, teacher, 8 is bigger number. So crocodile wants to eat 8 or 6? Yes, exactly. 8, it wants to eat bigger number. So it will open its mouth towards 853. Is that clear, children? Now you read the number 853 is greater than 624. Now here I have 2-digit number and here I have 3-digit number. Now tell me without observing. There is no hundreds place here. So here I have hundreds place. So what you can say, children? Here 374 is the greater number. Here I have 2-digit number, tens ones. Here I have 3-digit number. 3-digit number always greater than 2-digit number. So this is the bigger number. So crocodile wants to eat bigger number. So put the sign. Now here 100 tens ones. Here 100 tens ones. Here in 100 place I have 6. Here I have 100 place 5. So 6 is bigger number or 5 is bigger number? Children, answer my question. 6 or 5? 6 is a bigger number or 5 is a bigger number? Teacher, 6 is a bigger number. You'll say, teacher, 6 is the bigger number. So crocodile wants to eat bigger number. So it will open its mouth towards bigger number. That is 605. Now you read this number 605 is greater than 506. Now here I have 3-digit number. Children, here I have 2-digit number. Now tell me without thinking fastly. 3-digit number is greater than 2-digit number. So crocodile wants to eat always 3-digit number. Next. 100 tens ones. 100 tens ones. Observe carefully 100 place digit. Yes. Here I have 1 in 100 place. Over here I have 1. Here I have 9 in tens place. Over here also I have 9. So 100 place digits are same. Tens place digits are also same. So then I have to go to ones place digit. Here in ones place I have 9. Over here also I have 9. Means 100 place, tens place, ones place digits are same both the sides. So which symbol I'll get here, children? I'll get equal to sign. Children, I hope you understood this bit very nicely. And this bit also very easy. And if you understood this bit, you will do this bit on your own. Today's homework is this only. This bit you solve on your own in your notebook and copy this. Do this bit, page number 28, page number 29 in your notebook along with the answer. Children, today homework is page number 29, 5th bit. First example you observe carefully. Already I have explained this bit in the last video. Children, okay. Again I want to recall it. Children, recall the knowledge. Circle the greatest number. He is asking us to find out which is the greatest number. Here he has given 3 numbers, 3 different numbers. Same like this bit only, children. First you have to write 2-digit numbers are given. So you write tens ones, tens ones, tens ones. Observe in these 3 numbers tens place digit. 5. Here I have 6. Here I have 9. 5, 6, 9. Out of these 3 numbers, which is the biggest number, greatest number? 5 or 6 or 9 or? Yes, teacher, 9 is the greatest number you will say. So 9 is the greatest number means automatically 97 will become the greatest number. Understood, children? 5, 6, 9. So if you compare this tens place digit, 9 is the greatest number. So this 97 is the greatest number. Now this A1 I'll explain. Okay, listen carefully. B, C, D, E you have to do on your own, children. I hope you'll do. Now observe carefully. A question, tens ones, tens ones. Here 100 tens ones. Children, now you answer my question. Here it is very easy, direct answer you can say, children. See, here I have 2-digit number, here I have 2-digit number. Here I have 3-digit number. Now tell me, which is the greatest number? 2-digit number always smaller than 3-digit number. So 3-digit number is always greater than 2-digit number. He is asking greatest number. So which is the answer? 102 is the right answer. Why? Because these two numbers are two-digit number. This is the three-digit number. So without checking the hundreds, here there is no hundreds place only to check the number. So here, when there is a hundreds place number and remaining two numbers are two-digit number, you have to circle three-digit number itself. So my dear children, observe this bit just now I explained. Okay. Kindly, parents, please assist your children to note down these bits in their notebooks. Children, solve this B, C, D, E today, and till this bit, please copy in your notebook. In the next class, I am going to explain ascending order and descending order. Children, learn tables. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.